A blissful morning to my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of health with God's grace, as usual. Children, today we will be doing the notebook work of chapter 4, that is Raghu's Dream, of which yesterday we had already done new words and word bank. Today I am taking up question answers. So please open your notebooks. Quickly, I will go through the new words and word bank again, and then I will show you the question answers. So, your new words were excited, favorite, included, impatiently, believe, whole, surprised, supposed, confused, noticed, calm, and instead. And there were 4 word bank. They go like this: impatiently, here, eagerly means excitedly, date sheet, here, exam timetable, muttering, here, speaking in a low voice, poor, here, used for showing that mummy feels sorry for Raghu. Now, children, you had to make frame sentences of these 4 words. I had already told you that part is your homework. Now, let's move on to the question answers. But before we start the question answers, same way, date, day, classwork, chapter 4, Raghu's Dream, question answers. Question number 1. What kind of questions did Raghu expect in the exam? Raghu expected questions from his favorite lessons in the exam. After answer 1, we will draw an ending line. Moving on to question number 2. Why was Raghu shocked to see question paper? Raghu was shocked to see the question paper because he got the maths paper instead of English paper. Again, after answer 2, we'll draw an ending line. Moving on to question number 3. What did Miss Ray tell Raghu when he was in tears? Answer 3. Miss Ray told Raghu that he would be able to answer most of the questions. Again, an ending line. Question number 4. Was Raghu satisfied after Miss Ray spoke to him? Why or why not? Answer 4. Raghu was not satisfied. Why? Because he had prepared well for English but not for maths. Again, an ending line. Question number 5. Why did Raghu's mother wake him up? Raghu's mother woke him up because he had been kicking around in his bed and muttering something. Again, an ending line. How did Raghu's mother calm him down? Raghu's mother calmed him down by telling him that the exams were over and the holidays had begun. After this, again an ending line. With this, children, we come to the end of the chapter. I hope all of you will do this work on time and send me for checking as soon as possible. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you.